Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day, Contemporary, for Week 3, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Contemporary has 5 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, tem. So we say contemporary, contemporary. Say it with me, contemporary. Okay, you have 3 definitions. 2 of them that are adjectives and 1 that is a noun. And each one is a little bit distinct, or you can say each one is discrete. We have 3 discrete definitions. All right, the first one is belonging to the present time or modern. Let's take a look at a sentence example. If you go to San Francisco, downtown, there's a wonderful museum right near the BART station, not far from the Caltrain station, where you can see contemporary art of the 20th century. Okay, you can see even the outside of the museum is contemporary. It looks modern, right? And you go inside and you see definitely art with that reflects 20th century themes and topics and issues. It's a very, very nice museum. Go see it if you have a chance. Go visit if you have a chance. The second definition means belonging to the same time with somebody or something. Okay? So belonging to the same time with somebody or something. Let's look at another example. These 3 authors, we have Carlos Fuentes, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, and Julio Cortázar, were contemporary Latin American writers united through similar ideas and literary purposes. Okay, so the 3 of them together, they lived at the same time. Okay, they lived at the same time, so they were contemporary with each other. Okay, so even 2,000 years from now, even though they won't be modern authors 2,000 years from now, you can say they're contemporary with each other. Okay, belong to the same time. All right, have you read any of their works? The last one is a noun, and it describes a person who lives or lived at the same time as someone else, especially someone who is about the same age. Okay, so a lot of times you can say you are contemporary, a contemporary of like your siblings, okay, living at the same time as your brothers and sisters, and you're about the same age. All right, or in history, I mean, these 3 gentlemen, they're contemporaries of each other. Okay, they lived at the same time, so you can call each of these gentlemen, these authors, a contemporary of each other. Okay. So the second and third definitions are similar. One is kind of the familiar word of the other. But the first one is quite different. And this is still the most popular definition. But it is important for you to know these other 2 definitions because they will come up. All right, so there's no familiar words, but you have some definitions that are related to each some synonyms related to each of the definitions. So you have modern for the first definition, and then contemporaneous, which is a really high-level word, not that often used, but it's really nice. Contemporaneous and concurrent. Concurrent is more popular. Okay. Again, living at the same time or being at the same time. For your antonym, you can say non-contemporary or traditional for the first definition. Okay? If you got this one wrong on your reassessment, please be sure to write an original sentence using contemporary as an adjective or a noun and include an illustration on a separate flashcard. Happy studying.